Okay,
So,
Doc.
kuya. Hi, kuya. Kuya
Kala miss mo agad si
Si
Kuya.
lolo ko pala.
Kuya, tayo muna, legitimate lolo si Kuya. Ako hindi pa.
Si lolo kuya pala, si lolo kuya. Today, our topic is exercises for frozen shoulder. Anybody, ano nan bang nakarinig sa frozen shoulder?
Frozen
Ano ba
shoulder.
yung mga
Frozen
athlete?
shoulder.
May frozen shoulder.
Hindi magalaw.
Hindi nag-click yun, hindi magalaw.
Hindi magalaw.
Kadalasan na experience ng mga, mas elderly age
Lolo.
group. Although walang pinipiling edad, I've had patients na in their younger age group. So yung more, sabihin natin, more apt term is adhesive capsulitis. So yung adhesive capsulitis, as the name implies, parang madikit sa loob. So nangyayari, instead of having a very good range of motion, nagiging mas konti siya, nalilimit siya. So dahil dyan, kailangan natin paluwagin yung shoulder natin. So we
Loosen.
can loosen the tissue. That's why we will have to do some exercises. There are 7 easy exercises that you can do. I think we prepared something for our viewers to see so we can kung wala,
Andyan yan.
ako na lang,
Hahanapin.
demonstrate ko na lang.
Demonstrate.
Papademonstrate ko kay Thalia. Lika, Thalia.
Okay.
Ay, nalaglag yung ano ko. Teka.
Okay, ayan.
Unang exercise, pendulum exercise. So, Thals, ganyan ang gagawin natin. So, while holding onto the table, you would drop your arm to the side, tapos ikot-ikot mo lang siya. Actually, you don't have to stoop forward eh. Ganyan lang siya. So, maliit hanggang palaki ng palaki, hanggang about 90 degrees. Nothing beyond that. Kasi pag masyadong mataas din, minsan sobrang sakit. So, hanggang 90 degrees lang, a feeling of stretch. You can go beyond 90 degrees pag kayang-kaya na. And because sa frozen shoulder, usually, maliit lang yung range of movement nila. The question is, until where? So, the feeling of stretch, basta hindi painful. O, after the pendulum stretch, the other one is finger walk. Towel stretch muna. So, the towel stretch, alam mo yung good morning towel?
Yes.
Yan ang the best. So, lalagay natin yung good morning towel dito, tapos you stretch going up, stretch going down, stretch going up, stretch going down. Other side, ganun, stretch going up, stretching going down. So, yan ang gagawin natin. Kung walang tuwalya, katulad ng pinapakita ni Kong, dahil very flexible siya, daliri ang
Abutin yung isang...
Pero kasi you have to remember, these patients have very limited range of motion, kaya they need something in between their hands. Otherwise, pinapakita lang ni Kong na very flexible siya. Now, the third one is, ito yun, finger walk. So, let's say, ito yung dingding natin. Nakikita ba ako? So, with your elbow straight, your wrist straight, and then you put your fingers to the, and then you walk going up. Ngayon, you go facing forward, and then you go down, and then you can also do it sideways. Para ma-inspire kung yung crush mo, katulad ni Thalia, si Jeb, ang lalagay niya si Jeb dito. Para makalikan. Tapos, ganyan. Pero kung naiinis siya, siguro si Manong sa kanto, ganyan. Lagay mo para mo yung kilikili mo, and then going down. So, you can do these exercises front and side. Again, the feeling of stretch. So, ang goal is mahalikan niya si Jeb. So, kung hindi niya mahalikan. Okay, number 4. Our fourth exercise, cross-body reach. So, this one, you just do this very easily. You do this stretching, no? You hold it for about 10 counts, no? And you can do this about 10 to 20 times a day. Sarap niyan, no? Ang galing ng aking mga students, ha?
Sarap tumutunog.
Now, the last two are actually more, armpit reach. So, para sa bar natin yan, or here in this, bababa ka. Ganyan. Pero dapat yung kilikili mo yung nakakalso. Tapos babaakyat ka. Kasi yun yung nag-help para umakyat, yung mag-improve yung... So, yung mahirap kasi kung ganyan lang sa sakit. So, talagang nakakalso dun sa kanto ng kilikili. And then, the last two are more on strengthening exercises. So, you get a rubber band. You can use it and hold it on either way. Kung mas social, TheraBand ang pwede natin gamitin. Kung wala, yun lang makakapal na garter. And then you can tie it on the wall or the doorknob and then ganyan. Ay, hindi kita. Ganon. So, ayan. So, kahit wala pang frozen shoulder, pwede natin to gawin kasi sobrang siyang
Prevent.
dali, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Tapos nakaka-relax din when you do the exercises. So,
Paano nakukuha ang frozen shoulder? Is it just because of age or pwede rin injury?
because it can happen to anybody and usually it is related to repetitive
Actions.
activities, no? But it could also be degenerative. Actually, it's a cascade of events eh. So it starts usually it's related to mga tendinopathies of the shoulder. Although we do see it more commonly in patients with hormonal changes, systemic diseases such as diabetes. So, yan.
So, ang frozen shoulder limits yung range ng motion.
Yes. The natural
Whole arm.
history ng shoulder.
ng shoulder.
The natural history is it's self-limiting. Meaning if you don't do anything about it, most likely it will return to its normal range but it will take years. So, una, masakit siya. So, ayaw mo galawin. So, pag dahil doon, pag nawala na yung pain, nagkaroon na siya ng adhesion sa loob, na-limit na yung paggalaw. Hanggang dito, ganyan na lang. Hindi mo na siya maiangat. Mahihirapan magbukas ng bra.
Paano ng frozen shoulder? Kasi madalas ako nagbubuhat ng shoulder bag na mas mabigat dito on this side compared to this.
Hindi naman. More on posture, back pain.
Back pain na yun.
Tsaka neck pain. Remember, we had that topic about neck pain and the heavy bags. But it's more on yung mga sampay ng sampay, ganyan, mahilig nagkukuha, or kaya nag-reach backward sa car. So, or those who are like baseball players. Basically, these activities would strain your rotator cuff muscles, but that's not the only reason. Minsan yung nahulog lang, yung napag ganon, tapos umangat yung shoulder, yun, doon na nagtitrigger. So, wala talaga tayong masasabi na one and only, but there are a lot of factors that can lead to that one.
So, hindi totoong nakukuha yan pag nagtatrabaho sa may frigidaire o sa freezer.
Frozen kasi.
Ay,
Masyadong malamig yung aircon.
masyadong malamig yung aircon.
Ay,
Ayan.
nakapangtulog talaga.
Naalala si Kong kahapon dun sa snow. Naalala niyo, gumagano si Kong. Ayan. Naalala ko.
Akala ko sasabihin mo, banana split eh.
Oo.